Good morning, everyone. Today, I stand before you with a call to action for a plastic-free future. The world is facing a plastic crisis, and it's up to us to make a change. Plastic waste is everywhere, from our streets to our oceans. It poses a threat to our environment, wildlife, and even our own health. But we have the power to change this trajectory. We must start by reducing our use of single-use plastics. We can choose reusable over disposable, say no to straws, and carry our own bags. It's a small sacrifice for the greater good. In India, we are making progress with initiatives to phase out single-use plastics and improve plastic waste management. But it's not enough. We need collective action. As students, you are the future leaders of our country. You can influence your families, your schools, and your communities. By spreading awareness and advocating for change, you can be the driving force behind a plastic-free India. In conclusion, let's commit ourselves to this cause. Let's work together to phase out single-use plastics and ensure a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for all.